Alright, so let's see how to replace the engine air filter from this Volkswagen Passat with a 1.6 liters TDI engine. Here we have the air filter housing, and you're gonna see a couple of screws around. We need to remove these first. Then we're gonna release the tension from this clamp, unplug the mass airflow sensor, and we can take the cover out. So let's find the right bit. This one is good. I just unplugged this vacuum hose. And now, it looks like you can remove it like this. As you can see, this one is a little bit broken. So let's take it out. Now let's clean up a little bit here. Okay, so let's install the new filter on and place back the cover. Reconnect this vacuum hose. And let's tighten the screws in. Alright, so thanks for watching and have a nice day.